Hello and good afternoon here in California. So there's this gift card deal that's in the Walgreens ad. It says buy 2 gift cards. It's saying $25 each. It's Kohl's, Kids Place, Domino's, Chili's, and a couple of other ones. Now, it's a glitch because these particular ones that have $15 to $100 where you could add value onto these gift cards, it's still producing that $10 Walgreens gift card. Excuse me. So the deal is buy 2 $25 gift cards from the specific gift cards, get a $10 Walgreens gift card as a bonus. But as you can see here, I ended up getting the Domino's $15 value, okay? And it produced the $10 gift card, okay? And as you can see at the bottom, it says that I used a $5 register reward from the Dove last week. So I brought down my balance to $25. And I ended up getting $40 in gift cards. So $15, that's $30 plus the $10 from Walgreens. So this is a moneymaker for me, which, I like to keep these gift cards around for when the kids, my older kids are at home and they want to order some pizza or something and I'm running home from late. They could order some pizza and they could use the gift cards. So as you can see right there, see the reward savings, I ended up getting a $10 gift card. So if you guys want to go out and do this deal, this is all the way till the end of the week. So you could rack up on some free Walgreens gift cards to use for your couponing. All right, talk to you later.